that a nice ice cream, mate? Do you want to say hello to the camera?
Beautiful. Good day. How you going? I'm good, mate. Good ice cream.
So I'll go from way back.
It's very,
I'm a bit.
it's very rude of me to put a camera in your face while you're eating an ice cream.
Well, I'm eating. Yeah, I can't talk with
The camera's just...
Throw the keys in the bowl. Yeah. Group up with
is that what
people.
you do? Throw the keys in the bowl?
Well, as long as there's girls. Yeah.
Where are those parties?
Single and ready to mingle, girls. Just shoot me a message.
All aboard!
Well, today's the day, Fast and Curious Ride Day. It's been a long time in planning this one and really looking forward to it, really excited. Just a small group of people from Sydney. We're going to meet up, some subscribers from the channel, some friends, and go and have a beautiful ride day today. Look at the weather, it is absolutely stunning here in Sydney. A little bit chilly, but it's going to warm up as we get through the day. We might hit about 20-21 degrees Celsius, so it should be quite good. And can't wait to meet some guys that I haven't met before. Have a beer, have a burger, and probably got about 300 Ks, I'd say, 280 to 300 Ks mapped out for today. It's about 140, maybe 150 Ks each way on the ride. We're going up to a little country town called Wollombi. We're all meeting up at 9:30, and then the ride will commence at 10 AM. But obviously, you know, YouTube's such a wonderful platform, but it's also difficult, you know, being a worldwide platform. You know, it'd be so awesome to catch up with all of you guys from all over the world, and I'm sure there's a bunch of you that would love to be on this ride today, and I'd love to be with you guys as well. But future holds. I'll hopefully be in a town near you at some point, and we can post a ride up and catch up at some point. But I've got the bike all ready to go, and we've got a couple of cameras set up here at the front, one on the tail. When I do my vlogs, obviously I don't use a film crew or anything. The whole thing is filmed, shot and produced by myself, which is a pretty big job. Great fun, but it's a big job. Today I've got a very good mate of mine, Andrew, who's also a business partner of mine, who's going to be doing some drone work, so we'll see how that comes out. Don't crash the drone, Andrew, please. But Andrew's going to be doing the drone work for us, so we can try and get some epic footage out of this and have some fun at the same time. Let's check out this ride day. So for the meet point for the ride, I've chosen Fraser's Harley Davidson at Concord, mainly because it's a good central Sydney meeting point for people living west and south, and we're going to head north, just heading over the Ride Bridge here in Sydney. And we're about 10 minutes, I'd say, to the meet point. Woo! We're heading out, we're just about to go on the ride. So pumped. we're just on the Pacific Highway and met up with all the guys, and what a beautiful bunch of people you are! Woo! And so good. We got the weather, we got a good, awesome bunch of dudes, and we're now heading up to Brooklyn Bridge. We're going to meet a couple of guys coming down from Newcastle, and then from there we'll head up to Wollongby, and you know, very blessed. And I really wish the rest of you guys could be with us as well. Hi mate.
There you go.
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. Starting to get hungry, isn't it?
You're just on the wrong fucking bike, Jace.
I'm happy.
Huh? You're happy? That's good. As long as you're happy, mate.
Yeah.
That's the main thing. Thanks for doing the drone stuff.
Welcome, mate.
No, seriously, I'm really appreciative. You're not a very good pilot, but I do appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for organising this, Dean. It's
Man.
been an absolute pleasure to ride with you. Thank you, buddy.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate it.
How you going, mate?
I'm good, mate. How are you?
Fantastic.
Have you done this before?
Yeah, once or twice.
We leave Brooklyn, we head up to Wollongby Tavern, and let's ride! Here we are. Well, the Wollongby Tavern didn't quite work out, but we ended up here at this cafe and we just had some lunch. Service was really quick. We just waited about 2 hours for a burger. Bad luck. So, have we had fun?
Camera? Yeah, mate. Yeah. Definitely always having fun. Any day on a bike is a fun day.
If you were to say, like Glenn, for you, for example, how often would you ride?
Whenever I don't have my kids, so every second weekend, I'm up for riding.
You could lock them under a house bar.
No, well, they're all, one of them's old enough to get on the bike now, so he's going to start riding. with
And
me a
why
bit
did
more.
you start riding? Can I ask?
Someone bought me a dirt bike when I was little,
Yep.
and love and passion ever since. So many dirt bikes, many street bikes, and now I'm old enough and lazy enough to want a cruiser. And apart from riding bikes, it's about this, it's about meeting people, the camaraderie. Yeah, just spending a day with blokes you know and a day with blokes you don't know and you get to know.
That's
why
it.
I love bikes.
People with the same disease.
Anyone would think that was a fucking paid interview. Like, that was pretty... Like, have you been on camera before?
What's that,
That was very fucking good, Glenn. That
It's usually read through.
was pretty good, Glenn. Like,
Interesting to have my pants
But
on
it-
for this interview.
oh, mate, hey, now you're going too far. So, you know, it's interesting you talk about the camaraderie because, you know, it really is, right? It is
100%.
camaraderie. It's also, I don't mind being on my own, but then when you want to group up with people, it's quite nice to be able to, you know, to do that.
Throw the keys in the bowl. Yeah.
Is
Group
that,
up with
is that what
people.
you do? Throw the keys in the bowl?
Well, as long as there's girls. Yeah.
Where are those parties?
Single and ready to mingle, girls. Just shoot me a message, even if it's via DJ. We'll find a way.
Bob with the ice cream.
Ice cream's fantastic, mate, yeah? If you want a good ice cream, come to...
This joint.
This actually doesn't have a name. Oh, there it does. Yes, it does.
We come from Mr.
And he's a good mate of mine. We've been mates for, well, probably 5, 6, 7 years now. Yeah, and he decided to tag along on the ride, so
Even though
he's
I
on.
ride the wrong brand, but still let me in.
That is the wrong brand, isn't it? The Italians, right? You know, pasta and motorcycles and high performance cars.
Yep.
So when was the last ride you went on?
Shit. To get it registered 12 months ago, but a proper ride, geez, it'll be years now. So, yeah, long overdue.
Nice.
But yeah, we've done Tassie, Great Ocean Road.
Yeah. And the States, you've done the States?
Yeah. Actually, that was probably the last decent one. Yeah, through Vegas and a couple of Harleys was good.
Yeah. Good stuff, brother.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it. New job Tuesday. Tell me, are we excited?
Yeah, it's going to be pretty awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a public service job, but you know, it is
It's
what it
okay.
is.
You get all the benefits with it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I get to retire in another 5 years or so.
Yeah.
So, that'd
So
be awesome.
doing well, especially the previous role, I'm not going to mention what you were doing, but the previous role you were doing, like that takes special character of person.
Well, it really does. You need a lot
yeah.
of resilience, and yeah. So I'm definitely glad to be moving to something a little bit more positive.
Yeah, right.
So it'll be really, very awesome.
Good fun. And where did you grow up in Sydney? Or?
No, all over Australia. My dad was sort of moving around everywhere
Yeah.
with his work. So we Melbourne, Tassie, Adelaide, back to Melbourne, Indonesia,
Wow.
and then
Okay.
Sydney.
Indonesia. Wow.
Indonesia, yeah. So I did my HSC over in Indonesia. So still, surprisingly, still speak the language after all these years.
Wow.
Yeah.
See the people you meet? How much experience, life experience, different cultures, different, all the things you've been through,
Yeah,
right?
it does. It does. It gives you a good perspective about what's around, and gives you a good
That
insight.
is so awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good for you. Well, good luck in this new role.
Thanks very
Sounds pretty
much.
exciting.
Good on you. Thanks.
So, yeah,
Thanks,
thanks
Danny.
for coming along today, mate.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Are you guys waiting for the bus?
That's it.
Okay. What time's the bus come? Oh, here it is. I was asking the other guys, why did you start riding?
Why did I start riding?
Yeah. How long have you been riding?
Well, I've only been riding again for probably 12 months.
Okay.
Rode a lot in my 20s.
Yep. Why'd you
and
stop?
then I just changed, wanted to drive cars,
Yep.
girls.
You want to drive girls too?
Drive cars, chase girls. And been wanting to get back on a bike.
No comment.
Been wanting to get back on a bike for a while, and
Yep.
finally got the opportunity to it.
Yeah, good stuff. Yeah. And what does it do for you? I guess like all of us, probably freedom, fresh air, like.
Time to myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, out on the bike, riding, not thinking about other things other than riding. And so it gets rid of all the crap that
Yeah.
we normally think about
Yeah.
when we're sitting around doing nothing.
Yeah.
You focus on what you're doing and in the moment while you're riding.
That's right. Therapy. That's right. Mental therapy. That's exactly right. That's what it is.
but
Absolute
it's-
therapy. Yeah.
It's you're treating yourself because you know what you need yourself.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. What's the biggest ride you've done?
We did about a month ago. We rode from Newcastle to Jindabyne,
Nice.
then Jindabyne out through the national park, Kosciuszko National Park, to Tumut, then up to Bathurst, and then from Bathurst back over the Blue Mountains, back home. Like 3 days, 2 nights.
Gillian on the back, passenger.
Spot on. I love it.
Look at that accent. Where's the accent from?
No one will understand what you're saying.
Yorkshire.
Yorkshire.
Yeah, Yorkshire.
Yorkshire to Warmbye.
Yorkshire lass.
That's a long ride.
Being on the back of the bike adds freedom. You get to see the beauty of the world because you're on the back roads, so you see more.
Did you ride in Yorkshire or did you spend time on
I
bikes?
rode a bicycle. That's about it. No.
It's okay. That's not something.
I've done my license, but I never got the appeal to go on the front of a bike.
Yes.
And he's a good rider. So I enjoy it.
So I say.
You've got the vote.
Yeah, so I say.
Good fun, and you meet people.
Yep. And good people.
And good and.
They're good people.
Beautiful, but yeah, because the motorcycle riders, if you're not into that sort of thing, they give the impression that they're pretty scary.
Yes.
Especially if you see a big group, it's like,
correct.
You back off.
Yes.
But then you're all pussycats.
Correct.
There you go.
We are. Yeah. We are. I'm a pussycat. In your bike, another bike rider pulls up, and it's just automatic language. G'day, mate.
It's friendship.
Hey, g'day, mate. Guys, thanks for chatting. Thanks for watching the channel. I really appreciate the support. Well, that was just awesome. I can't thank everybody enough for just making such a beautiful day. Just damn bloody good people, and you know, thank you guys. What a great catch up, and I really look forward to doing more of these ride days. We're leaving Wollongong. We're heading down to Freeman's, and then we're going to cut down to the highway and head back into Smoky Purgatory. I shouldn't say that. That's not good. We'll head back into Sydney and let's get ready for the next series. Woo! See you soon, brother. Comes down from Coffs Harbour, which is like 5 hours from Sydney, to join us on the ride. God bless you, brother. I appreciate it, man. It was so good to meet you. And riding a CBO Street Glide, drive safe back home. And I really appreciate it, brother. Please.
Mess of rain and day, can't see the yellow lines anymore.
You know, there's very few things that you can do in the world that just instantly connects people. Motorcycle riding is one of those. You know, I'm proud to ride motorcycles, you know, and I'm proud on behalf of everybody else. And, you know, I've met some awesome people motorcycle riding, and, you know, you guys today were another group of that, and I appreciate you supporting the channel.
She said, you know me, you can find me at the halfway cone by the old payphone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. She said, you know me, you can find me at the halfway cone by the old payphone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. She said, you know me, you can find me at the halfway cone by the old payphone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. She said, you know me, you can find me at the halfway cone by the old payphone.